everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my favorite summertime lip colors. This video is a collaboration with my friend Beth, also known as 50+Beauty here on YouTube. Beth's channel is very similar to mine. We are kind of geared towards the woman who is not in her 20s or maybe even her 30s anymore. Your skin might be going through some changes. You might have some just different needs that some of the younger YouTubers, while they are amazing, they might not be really addressing those, or you just might not feel like they really have the experience just because they haven't been there yet to give you tips and advice on certain things. So Beth's channel is really, really amazing. Obviously the title of her channel is 50+Beauty, so she's over 50. I'm not quite there yet, so if that's you, she really speaks to those issues and concerns of a woman over 50. She does videos on tooth whitening. She does videos on how to shrink your pores. She does concealer videos. She does hairstyling videos. And you can really, really tell that she's super passionate about the content she's putting out. So I really, really recommend you go and check out not only her video about how to make your lips appear fuller, but also her entire channel, and hopefully you will subscribe. I think she is just a wealth of knowledge. I really hope that you will support her in her journey on YouTube. And if you are coming here from Beth's 50+Beauty's channel, I want to welcome you. Thank you so much for checking out my video. I hope that you'll check out some of my other content and that you'll subscribe and be part of my Risa Does Makeup family. So without further ado, let's get to my favorite summertime lip colors. Okay, right out of the gate, I feel compelled to tell you that the majority of these are going to be pinky, corally lip colors. I am always going to be wearing my nude pinks year-round. Sometimes in the fall, I will go out of my comfort zone and wear like a berry or even a red at holiday time, but that's very, very rare. However, in the summertime, I really, really like to bring out my corals, pinky corals, bright pinks. I feel like they look good on my skin tone, especially if I have a little bit of a tan. I never go in the sun to tan. I always use some sort of self-tanner, fake tanner, whatever term you use for the tan that does not come from the sun. I use a couple of different at-home tanners that I've talked about on my channel, the Saint-Tropez as well as the Tanceuticals. I love both of those. Tanceuticals is a little bit better if you don't want any type of smell in your self-tanner. Please don't think that if you are pale or fair that you can't wear the colors I'm going to be showing, because you probably can. They'll probably look beautiful on you. I just like the look of a bold lip color with a little bit of a tan. So the one I have on now, this one, is Charlotte Tilbury's Kidman's Kiss. And this color is I would say it's like a muted corally pink. The formula and texture of this lipstick is just so beautiful. It glides on so nicely. It doesn't dry out my lips. If you're someone who has been kind of afraid of a bright coral, this would be a good starter coral for you, because it does lean a little bit more pink, and as I said, it's more of a muted corally pink versus being an outright bright coral. Next up is the shade Julie from NARS. So this is Julie from NARS, and this is Kidman's Kiss, and as you can see, they are very, very similar. So if Kidman's Kiss appeals to you, but you have a problem with lip colors turning more orange on you, which a lot of people have that, then you might want to look into Julie, because it has a little bit more of a pinky undertone, less likely to turn more orange on you. So this is NARS Julie. My next favorite is Baja Bound from Smashbox. This is one of their always on liquid lipsticks. And this is a stunning bright orangey coral. And what's nice about using a liquid lip color, even though they can be a little drying, is that you don't necessarily need to use a lip liner. And a lot of us don't own brighter color lip liners, and you don't want to have to go out and buy a matching lip liner for a brighter. I mean, you can, but if you don't want to go out and spend the extra money, well, first of all, if you do, I would recommend NYX, because they have a lot of great lip liners in all different colors that are pretty inexpensive. So that's probably what I would do with this if I wanted to have a lip liner. I usually don't wear one with this particular product. Because the applicator has this pointed tip, it makes it really easy just to line the lips using the actual product. So here is the color. So here is the color swatched. And here's the color on my lips. And you can always top this with a little gloss or maybe some shea butter to keep your lips looking a little bit more hydrated. Definitely use a lip moisturizer, lip balm underneath a liquid lip color. But if you find that liquid lipsticks make your lips look more dry, which they can do, then I would definitely recommend putting something over the top. But these are really, really long wearing, and that's what you need with a bright color. You don't want a bright color fading or smearing. You want it to really stay put. All right, next up is one of my favorite hot pinks. This one is from Collab. This brand is carried at Sally Beauty Supply. I'm gonna swatch it next to Baja Bound so you can see how much more pink it is. So this is the shade Suave, and you can see it next to the Baja Bound. Hopefully you can tell that it's a little bit pinker. It's a very similar formula, but it's a lot more affordable. And it stays on really, really well. Now, if you like those previous colors, but you can't do a matte lip at all, I highly recommend this shade from MAC. It's called Flamingo, and it's a Lustre. So this is Flamingo from MAC. I probably should have applied this one first, because after trying so hard to remove those mattes, my lips are looking like a little dry and cracked. So this didn't go on as nicely as it normally does when I haven't just applied and tried to take it off really, really difficult liquid lipsticks. But it's really comfortable. It's not gonna last as long as those, unfortunately, but it's super easy to apply. This is another one that you can wear a lip liner with, but you don't have to. I love the formula of this. I love the color. It brightens up your face. It's a summertime favorite for sure. Another lipstick that has been a constant in my summertime lipstick rotation for years has to be Candy Yum Yum, also from MAC. So this is Candy Yum Yum right at the bottom. Obviously, this lipstick is not for the faint of heart. It is very bright, very bold, but I think very, very pretty. It definitely could be too much for some, but with the right outfit, you just put this on and I think you just feel really good. You feel happy, you feel summery, and you just have to be careful because I do feel like this color can make your teeth look a little bit more yellow. Maybe it's just my eyes, but I feel like it does when I wear it make my teeth look a little bit more yellow. But anyway, I still wear it because I think the color is beautiful. Okay, there you have it. Those are my favorite lip colors for summertime. It's nice to step away from my, I don't want to say boring, because I will always love my nudes and my nude pinks, my muted lip colors. But this time of year, I just feel something, I don't know, they just make me happy wearing a bolder, brighter lip. So let me know in the comments what some of your favorite summertime lip colors are. If there's any that you think that I might like that I should check out. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And definitely don't forget to check out Beth's video, 50+Beauty. I'm gonna link it in the description. As I said early on, she's gonna be talking about how to make your lips appear fuller. And you can also follow me on social media. I have Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. Everything is Risa Does Makeup. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon.